Hi, this is Zaf, and in this video we'll be looking at how to add custom fields to ActiveCampaign. Custom fields are they're like tags that can be used to trigger automations. You can add them to forms, collecting information from contacts, to trigger automations, and when you have this set up, it saves a heck of a lot of time. You can create segments helping you personalize communications, and you can use contact fields with conditional content in ActiveCampaign. So at the end of this video, I'll also be sharing a free resource, which I think you'll find really helpful. So keep an eye out for that later on. In the meantime, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in my ActiveCampaign account, and what we're going to do is add a custom field. You can do various things with custom fields, from updating subscribers, if they bought anything from you, or the amount of items they bought from you, you can update that on a score. That's what I tend to do with mine. If they clicked on anything, update the score on that, and then use this to trigger automations. So if I go to contacts, it's for the easiest way, and then we click on when it comes up fields, and then what we need first, I'll just quickly show you what I've got on mine already. So here you can see I've got one set up for engagement points. So anytime someone opens an email, it triggers an automation that add one to this value. So, and if they click on a link in the email, it triggers another automation. It adds 2 to this value. So by looking at this, then you can see which subscriber, or you can even sort by the engagement point, which subscribers are most engaged on your list. And also I've got one here for buys. The same thing, adds 1 to when someone buys something. In the automation also adds a buy option also on there. In fact, I'll show you that in a minute. So if to add a field, you click on add field here. That's one actually I was doing earlier for a test. Normally you would have to fill that out, so obviously I just left that there. But I'll leave that as buy anyway, and just leave that as general text input. So normally just put buy in there. You can leave this as default here, and click on add. And then we'd have to scroll down a bit. You can see it's created it here. Then we need to click on it to edit it. Clicking this pencil icon here. And we can then add what we want. We can change this or change that field name if you want to. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Save that. Alright, now if we have a look at one of my automations, it actually uses this. So railway automation. This one here. So if we click on it in there, let's see if it's actually. I think I've got it on here. Yeah, so when someone buys this particular product, which is the 7-day commission machine there, I've got here, it waits 5 minutes, and then update contact field. So the field what we just created buy, but it would be buy or buys. It adds 1 to it. And so it adds a note to it and then sends them an email. But this is an important bit here, so all that update their field, so it will show on their subscriber on the details that they've actually brought something. So it tags them what we created as a tag, and not only as a tag but also updates it. So if they already brought something, say one item, this will add 1 to it and then change that to 2. Or if it's the first item, it'll be 1, and it'll keep doing that every time they buy something. So you can see then straight away on the list who's actually, and sort by who's actually bought something on your email list. So it's pretty handy for that. And also a good thing with it as well, you can add extra details in. So such as if you subscribe to your email list and then brought something with 2 different email addresses, you can then put a custom field. So let's go back and see one of the other fields I've got there, so I can explain it a bit. Field. Try that again. There we go. Right, so scroll down. See, I've got one here for clicks here. If I just click on edit, see one's name clicks there in the default value there. So with that, same again like with the buys, it's just add one. So now I'm in time to click on the link and see who's the most active subscriber, like I was saying earlier. You can create all different custom fields here for not only buying items. GPDR, I've got one here, this one here, when this is ticked here, the visible on form, it actually will show on a form when you create a form. So then you could have this will give you like a little box on the form, this particular one, to actually tick it to agree to the GPDR notice on there. And that's it really. So it's pretty straightforward and easy to do. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Now, I mentioned at the start, there's a free resource for you. If you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a free video that tells you a new way to create multiple streams of long-term passive affiliate commissions that's beginner friendly, requiring no prior experience, products or technical skills. If you could like, subscribe or comment, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.